Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your English class. Let's continue our chapter number 7, The Amazing Coconut. Let's revise the words we have done till now. First one is useful. Second is interesting. Third is Malaysia. Fourth is magic. Fifth is granted. Sixth is curious. And seventh is peeped. Now let's learn some new words today. Number 8. Listening. 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 I am repeating again. Listening. Listening. Listening means सुनना. जब आपको मैम बोलते हैं आर यू लिसनिंग, क्या आप सुन रहे हो, तो आप क्या रिप्लाई करते हो? यस मैम, आई एम लिसनिंग. हाँ, मैं सुन रहा हूँ. लिसनिंग मीन्स सुनना. Listening. Listening. Our next word is furniture. 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 Furniture means जो भी आपके घर में टेबल, चेयर, सोफ़ा, डाइनिंग टेबल, ड्रेसिंग टेबल, ये सब चीज़ें क्या कहलाती हैं? फर्नीचर. These things are called furniture. Furniture. Next word is thatched. 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 I am repeating again. Thatched. Thatched means a roof made of leaves, straw or dried plants. Roof means छत. जो छत लीव्स की या स्ट्रॉ की या जो सूखे हुए प्लांट्स होते हैं उनकी बनी होती है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं? Thatched. Like this house has a thatched roof. इस घर की छत कैसी है? वो सूखे हुए प्लांट से बनी हुई है या लीव्स से बनी हुई है. So this house has a thatched roof. Thatched. Number 11 is firm. 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 Firm means hard or strong. Like her belief in God is very firm. उसका जो विश्वास है भगवान पे वो बहुत firm है. Firm means strong है. So FIRM is firm. Next one is flesh. 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 I am repeating again. FLESH. Flesh. Here in this chapter there is a word flesh of coconut. So flesh of coconut means जो कोकोनट में वाइट पार्ट होता है वो उसका फ्लैश कहलाता है. ओके. Next one is tasty. 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 Tasty means yummy or having good flavor. Like my lunch is very tasty. Next word is young. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Young means youthful. Jawan. Y-O-U-N-G. Young. Next one is serve. S-E-R-V-E. Serve. S-E-R-V-E. Serve. Serve means to offer or to contribute something. Like, I want to serve my country. S-E-R-V-E. Serve. I want to serve my country means मैं अपनी कंट्री के लिए कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, उसकी सेवा करना चाहता हूँ. ओके? या मैं अपनी कंट्री के काम आना चाहता हूँ. So my dear students, there are 15 difficult words in this lesson. You have to learn the spellings of these words. आपको मैम ने इन सब का मीनिंग भी बताया और स्पेलिंग्स भी बताए. तो आपको इन सब के स्पेलिंग्स लर्न करने हैं और आपको इसका मीनिंग पता होना चाहिए. ओके? Let's revise these words once again. Listening. Number 9 is furniture. Number 10 is thatched. Number 11 is foam. Number 12 is flesh. Number 13 is tasty. Number 14 is young. Number 15 is serve. So dear students, write these words in your notebook and learn the spellings. We will meet in the next class. And one most important thing is you have to do your work in cursive writing. In the next class, we will start the reading of this lesson. So dear students, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Love you.